because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's all because I'm falling.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I figured that my first video could be a cleaning motivation because God knows I needed it. My house was a mess, my hair was a mess, I was a mess. Yesterday we had a pretty hard day. We currently rent, so we had a issue with our toilet overflowing. So after everything was done, I just wanted to relax, and of course the house was in shambles. So here is a before video, and I will stop talking now so I can get the video started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently.
Here I'm just wiping all the food off the dishes before I load it into the dishwasher.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you began to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Now moving on to pots and pans that won't fit in the dishwasher. I'm going to wash them and put them away later.
Bringing this back to life. never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
These are some of my son's bath toys that I cleaned, so I'm going to put them away along with some of our extra dishes and cups. The night before, we had bought these mason jars from Walmart to replace our old glasses, so here I'm just putting them in the sink and getting them ready to put in the dishwasher once the other load is done.
Invincible.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So I had filmed making my bed, and when I went back to edit, I realized that huge parts of my video were missing, and later on you'll see that my son had taken my phone and added his own clips in. So sorry there's no bed making, but here is what was left of the room.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and
Thank you for watching this cleaning video. I hope you got lots of motivation, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!